This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I cover, we'll keep question answers for the last for today. Right, so before I just, I'm keeping everyone on mute. Okay, so before I go into SAP Analytics Cloud, so a lot of people coming from SAP background, so has no much idea on how the cloud works, the cloud components and architecture. I see a lot of people confused between Azure, AWS and SAP Analytics Cloud. So just let me give a brief introduction of cloud. Uh, so generally, you take any cloud platform, it has three service areas. First one is infrastructure as service. So which has, you can see like it has three service components like infrastructure as service, platform as service that is PaaS, and software as service that is SaaS. Infrastructure as service contains, all the hardware components to build your cloud platform. So your computers, block storages, and everything. And then comes the platform as a service, so which is your original cloud platform, where you have your databases, your job queues, everything were maintained. So there are, so as of now guys, the most the frequently used are, okay, the platforms that's leading the universe are like Azure, that's Microsoft's cloud platform. We have AWS, Amazon Web Services, Amazon's cloud platform. We have Salesforce Cloud, we have Google Cloud, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. In the same fashion, SAP also has its own cloud platform, that is SCP, SAP Cloud Platform or SAP Neo. Okay, and then we have Oracle Cloud Platform, we have IBM Bluemix. These are the leading cloud platforms in the market as of now. And then comes the third, that is cloud application. Okay, so cloud applications means that are like softwares, they are like the cloud softwares. Okay, so which can be hosted on a cloud platform. Okay, so SAP is having a lot of cloud applications guys, like Salesforce, so not Success Factors Cloud. Okay, that's a HR cloud application. We have S4 HANA is available on both. So okay guys, with growing adoption of cloud, so SAP is now trying to move all its ERP and analytic applications into cloud. Okay, so S4 HANA is now available in two versions, S4 HANA on-premise and S4 HANA cloud. We have Success Factors, our HRMS application is available on cloud. Ariba, okay, Concur, Hybris. Okay, so these are some of the cloud applications from SAP, and also we have C4 SAP Cloud for Customer, so your CRM application on cloud. And now SAP is also moving its basic data warehousing application into cloud, which is same as BW, that's like data warehouse on cloud, data warehouse cloud. And also we have now, so now they're trying to move all their reporting and analytics into cloud as a cloud application, that is SAP Analytics Cloud. So SAP Analytics Cloud is a SaaS, is a software as a service offering available on cloud platforms. Okay, so guys, if I consider a smart TV, so all the hardware components of your smart TV will, it's nothing but your smart TV can be considered as a cloud platform guys. So where you have some inbuilt applications like Netflix and Amazon Prime, whatever it is. So these are like inbuilt applications in that smart TV, right? Same way, these are like cloud applications on the, which are available on different cloud platforms. Okay, so I guess you got some, so this is the major difference between AWS, Azure or SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud application. Okay, whereas Azure, AWS, GCP, Google Cloud Platform and SCP, these are cloud platforms. Okay, and these cloud applications are built on cloud platforms. Okay, and again I'm saying it again, so with growing adoption of cloud, okay, now all the customers are moving towards cloud, and right, by 2022, so your cloud business going to be, okay, the cloud business or the cloud revenue is going to be doubled in the next 2 to 3 years. Okay, so in terms of cloud platforms, Azure and AWS were really doing good. SAP is also doing good in terms of cloud platforms. We are now ranked number 5 platform in the market, currently ranked 5 SAP cloud platform. But in terms of cloud applications, SAP is leading the pack in terms of cloud applications. Okay, so SAP has a strategic partnership with Amazon and Google. Okay, so where Amazon has a very beautiful cloud platform, but it is lacking in terms of cloud applications. So now this Amazon and Google made a pact with SAP saying that, so this applications like SAP applications like S4HANA Cloud, SAP Analytics Cloud, C4, success factors will be now will be now available on AWS and Google Cloud platforms. As of now, all SAP Cloud applications are available in SAP Cloud Platform, and they can be deployed on any cloud platform using a concept of Cloud Foundry. I don't want to go into Cloud Foundry. You can do and research. As of now, all SAP applications are available on SAP Cloud Platform and can be deployed into any other cloud platforms using Cloud Foundry. But in future, you can expect this SAP Analytics Cloud as an inbuilt application in AWS and Google Cloud platforms. Okay, so by in the second half of 2021, so SAP is trying to deploy an SAC on GCP also. As of now, it can operate on GCP, but through Foundry. Means you have to download it or you have to manually install it through Foundry. Simple guys, like right now, SAP Analytics Cloud is present as a default application in SAP Cloud Platform. Same how you have a WhatsApp, which is now default application in any smartphone. And then you can also download some other applications using Play Store, right? So you can download this SAC into other cloud platforms using Cloud Foundry as of now. So in the future, you can expect this SAP Analytics Cloud as a default application in all AWS, GCP, and SAP cloud platforms. Okay, the customer need to subscribe and use it. Okay, this software as a service offerings, the SaaS offerings are subscription based softwares, guys. Now we are going from the traditional license based softwares to the subscription based softwares. Okay, so as SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud application, means it's an internet facing application which runs through your browsers, web browsers in fact. So you no need to install it, okay, buy the license, upgrade. So there is no concepts of upgrades, licensing, versioning in Analytics Cloud. It is a subscription based software, okay, which is available in SAP. So once you subscribe for SAP Analytics Cloud, so you get the space directly from the SAP Cloud Platform, okay, SAP or whatever the cloud platform you have right now, okay, and then you can start working on it. So and all the upgrades during your subscription period is free of cost. It will be done automatically by SAP. The entire maintenance is now with SAP, so there is zero maintenance. So upgrades are completely free of cost and very low customer support cost because of a subscription based software. That's the main reason why the world is moving towards cloud applications. Okay, so this is subscription based software. So I heard from a lot of people, what is the version? Hey, Q&A will be for the last. I'm pushing question answers for last. Okay, so there is no versioning concept in SAC. So if any upgrade happens during your subscriptions, it will be automatically added there. No versioning and no licensing here. So now this is about your cloud platforms. Okay, so now this is about your cloud application. So SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud application, not a cloud platform. Okay, so now let's deal with SAP Analytics Cloud, how it works. Okay, so generally analytics is segmented, or it has like into 3 areas. Like one is intelligence, which basically deals with historical data modeling and reporting. We have a lot of tools to deal this historical data, right? Like we have Tableau, Power BI, and also SAP itself is having different products like BW, HANA, which are modeling and warehousing solutions, business objects, reporting solutions like Web Intelligence, Lumira, etc. And then Just a minute. Just give me a minute, please. Hey, you guys can hear me now?
Yes, Sudhir.
All right. So now we got some planning tools like BPC, IBP, and analysis for office, which is used for planning reports. Okay. And then we got some predictive analytics. Okay. Tools like Saas is the largely widely used predictive analytics tool. So now it was mostly replaced artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay. Heavily replaced by this predictive analytics. So generally, we have three areas in analytics: intelligence, planning, and prediction. So, and we have different tools and different products to handle this segmented analytics. And now we are not having any one specific solutions which can handle all the three areas of analytics. Okay, and SAP is coming. It's a first of its kind solution. So where SAP Analytics Cloud is a single product or a single cloud application, so which can handle all the three areas of analytics like intelligence, planning, and prediction all at one place. Okay, and highly powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, so SAP Analytics Cloud has three areas to cover. So it has intelligence, where we deal with modeling and reporting. It has planning, where we can create the planning models, and also the planning stories where actually the strategic or business planners work. Okay, and also it has a concept of predictions, and these predictions were completely powered by machine learning. Okay, where SAP Analytics Cloud has a lot of inbuilt machine learning algorithms. Okay, where we use that algorithms and create our own predictive scenarios. Okay, so it has three areas. Okay, it covers all the aspects of analytics, and this is the first of its kind solution, guys. There was no solution which has the capabilities to handle all the three areas of analytics. Okay, so if I just speak about the features of SAP Analytics Clouds, it's a software as a service offering. It's a unified solution with BI, planning, and prediction. And then connection, guys. It has got two types of connectivity. Okay, it has got a live data connection and acquired data connection. SAP Analytics Cloud has a repository with SAP HANA as a database. So means where you can physically load data from different heterogeneous systems into SAP Analytics Cloud, store the data in SAC, and then process the data for your intelligence and planning, whatever it is. Okay, and the second type of connection is like a live data connection. So SAP has got SAP Analytics Cloud has got live data connection with all the modeling and warehousing applications of SAP like BW, HANA, BPC, S4 HANA, Data Warehouse Cloud. It has got a live connection with all the SAP modeling and warehousing applications. So where the models already created in BW or HANA, so you can simply consume them. We can simply consume the metadata and use SAP Analytics Cloud extensively for reporting. Okay, so we got two types of connections. Maybe if you already have the models available in BW or HANA, so just connect in live and use SAP Analytics Cloud majorly for reporting. And then if you don't have a model available, for suppose you are connecting with some success factors or Ariba or Concur, which is like a transaction platforms mostly. So you can physically import the data into SAC, because SAC has a database that is SAP HANA Cloud. HANA database available on cloud platform will act as database for Analytics Cloud. and then where you can physically import the data into SAC and work with the data in SAC. So it has a connectivity, and also now SAP Analytics Cloud is connecting with the live open connector, so where you can connect with Microsoft and Oracle systems also in live connection. Okay, and it has got a concept of digital boardroom. So I'll speak in detail about digital boardroom coming ahead. Okay, so these are the common features of SAP Analytics Cloud. Okay, it can be connected with any on-premise or cloud application. Okay, it can be connected with both on-prem or cloud application to extract the data. Okay, so this is the picture, okay, where we fit the Analytics Cloud. So this is the future picture for SAP. Okay, so SAP is now, so earlier name of our cloud platform is HANA Cloud Platform. Earlier it is HCP. Now it is renamed as SCP, SAP Cloud Platform. Okay, so when I take this picture, it was HANA Cloud Platform. So now it is SAP Cloud Platform. So now SAP is trying to move all their applications onto the cloud platform. So this is how their future applications will look like. Okay, so S4HANA suite, which is their transaction platform where all their FI, finance, sales, logistics, all the modules were integrated. Okay, so then comes success factors, Concur, Ariba, C4, so which are your other applications which are used for supply chain, CRM and SRM applications. Okay, and then here comes all are now connected with SAP Analytics Cloud, so where you can do all the intelligence, planning and predictive aspects. So means S4HANA is a suite where you can perform all ERP operations, and then SAP Analytics Cloud is a suite where you can do all end-to-end of analytics. So this is how the future lies, the big picture of SAP. Okay, so this is something, an overview of SAP Analytics Cloud. Okay, so I just went through how the cloud works, what are the different components of cloud, and then so what are the three subcomponents of analytics. And SAP Analytics Cloud is coming as a unified solution, so which covers all the three areas. Okay, so now I'm just going into the subcomponents of SAP Analytics Cloud. So what we cover in intelligence, what we have in planning, and what we have in production. Okay, in intelligence, so where we can connect, I already discussed, we can connect with different systems in Analytics Cloud, either using a live data connection where we process only the metadata and create the reports, reports in the sense stories, okay, on top of this model. And then we can connect in acquired data connection. Okay, guys, mostly with BW HANA and S4 HANA, which are data warehousing solutions. So the connection will be mostly live connection, but connection to success factors or Concur or Ariba or C4, it will be mostly an acquired data connection, or Oracle system or a Microsoft systems. It will be mostly an acquired data connection where we physically extract, import the data, and then model and report the data. So connect your different systems and prepare your information means model the data, and then visualize and build your stories. Okay, so guys, now reporting means telling a story to the business user, telling a story to the customer, right? So now we are not calling them as reports, instead we call them as stories. Okay, so where we do the extensive story building. Okay, and also just share with your team, it's like collaboration with your team. So as part of intelligence, we connect with different systems, we extract, we model the data, and then we build the stories. Okay, so apart from this modeling and story building, so we, as part of intelligence, apart from modeling and story building, we do have some smart features. Okay, in intelligence, the smart features are powered by machine learning. Okay, so the smart features like search to insight, smart insights, smart discovery, R visualization. So these will help the business users in understanding the content very easily. Okay, so I just give you a small, okay, it's a demo session, so I should not go into the tool and teach you. So, but I just give you a small insight how the search to insight works. In case of search to insight, the user can ask a question in English, and he will get the answer in form of a visualization, in form of a widget or a chart. Let me just let me walk you. Okay, here you can ask a question. This is nothing but searched inside. So question format should be like this. So, show uh, show annual salary by department and office country. I say show my annual salary by department and office country. I just say, let's say search. I already have a model with this data, so don't ask me how it is. So it will simply, if you ask a question in English, okay, it will just try to show you an answer in form of charts or widgets. There you can see. So it will automatically produce a chart here. Okay, so along with this modeling and reporting, we do have some smart features in story building. Okay, so these are highly powered by machine learning. Okay, these are three areas we focus, four areas like connectivity, modeling, story building, and smart features are the four subcomponents we have in intelligence. Okay, and then comes the predictive analytics. So I informed, so this is something, so the prediction in SAP Analytics Cloud is quite different to the HANA predictive analytic library we have. Okay, here the predictive analytics is completely powered by machine learning. Okay, so where we have here, we no need to build a machine learning algorithm or something. We no need to write any Python code. SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP is having they ran a project called SAP with artificial intelligence and data science. As part of that program, they built lot of machine learning algorithms. Okay, and these algorithms were inbuilt under SAC. So as an SAC consultant, our agenda was just to use that algorithms, understand the algorithms, and create a predictive scenarios using that algorithms. Okay, where we train the data, we validate the data, we create a model, and then we use the model for future predictions. Okay, we can do all the three types of predictive analytics like classification predictions, regression predictive analytics, and time series. So these are the three types of predictions we can do, okay, as part of SAC. Okay, so classification is something where your answer is yes or no, means whether this customer will buy our product or not. So that is a concept of classification predictive scenario. A regression predictive scenario is something like, so based on the last historical sales, okay, so how my future sales is going to be. Okay, so based on the customer last year claim amounts, okay, how much is the subscription fee for the next year, how much we can go as a subscription fee for the next year. So based on the historical data, we can predict the future values. Okay, so that is concept of regression predictions. So these all are based on machine learning, guys. I'll go in detail into machine learning and go with these predictions. And the third component of SAP Analytics Cloud, that's a planning component. So guys, with ECC in place, our planning modeling used to happen in BPC, and we used to use analysis for office for building the planning reports where actually the business planners work. Okay, but now with S4HANA taking over, so SAP itself is moving their entire planning components into SAP Analytics Cloud, into IBP and SAP Analytics Cloud. Okay, so it's where you can build the planning models. Okay, as part of planning process, we can build the planning models, and then we can create planning stories where we can do plan what if analysis, we can do allocations, we can do forecasting. So this is mostly done by the planners at their level. So now the planners will start working on SAP Analytics Cloud. Okay, so where we can build both planning models and planning stories. Okay, as part of SAC planning. Okay, so these are the three subcomponents of SAC. Okay, along with this three components, we have some additional applications under Analytics Cloud. So which is nothing but where we can design an analytic application. This is a kind of a web application, a Fiori kind of application, and expose it to the external world. Okay, and you can design it using the JavaScripting. It has got some scripting capabilities using JavaScript. Okay, so we do have some other applications, that is like analytic application and digital boardroom. Digital boardroom is something which targets your higher management, which targets your CEO, CFO, AGM level meetings. Okay, so digital boardroom is a multi screen uh, touch enabled reporting application. Okay, so which has a meeting agenda, okay, and the points to discuss during the meeting, and it's like a touch enabled, guys. And it's multi-screen, means in one screen you can show the marketing expenses, so based on the marketing expense, in other screen you can show the sales. Okay, so based on the current sales, what will be our future sales prediction. So we can show everything at one place using a digital boardroom. Okay, this application is like a custom application, guys. Your company has to buy it. It doesn't comes with a standard license. The company has to purchase this digital boardroom as part of custom license, custom subscription. I should not use word license. It's a custom subscription. It has got analytic application, digital boardroom. It has SAC Mobile, okay, where the users can simply download. So SAP Analytics Cloud is now available as a mobile application in iOS and Android applications. Android. So where the users can simply download and view the stories directly from the mobile applications. Okay, so here this reports will change their layouts based on the application screen. And then comes Analytics Hub. So this is like a launch pad for SAP Analytics Cloud reports or stories. Okay, this is the place where the business users will try to open your reports. Okay, and this is like a launch pad. Okay, so where you can deploy not only Analytics Cloud reports, guys, you can also deploy the reports from. So SAP is now launching Analytics Hub as a one single point launchpad. So for suppose your organization is using 3 to 4 reporting tools. Okay, so now you can simply deploy all the reports from all the 3 to 4 reporting tools into Analytics Hub. So this will now work as a single point uh, launchpad for any kind of reporting tools. Okay, so these are some 4 additional external applications we have under SAP Analytics Cloud. So this is the architecture. So this SAP Analytics Cloud works on SAP cloud platforms like AWS or SAP Cloud Platform or Google Cloud Platform. Okay, and it can be connected with on-premise or cloud applications to fetch the data, and it has some core capabilities of data wrangling, modeling, and it has analytic capabilities like BI, planning, prediction, and then application building. This app center is coming up, it's not part of, and also it has some custom applications like digital boardroom, Analytics Hub, and SAC Mobile. So this is a product called Analytics Cloud. Okay, so this is about the product. So where we discuss how SAC works, what are the components of SAC, and the architecture of SAC. Okay, so as part of this training program, so this I'm just giving you. Uh, so just 2 minutes overview. So this is like a 9 weeks program. So we work for almost 60 to 65 hours. The initial 30 hours we focus on intelligence like connections, modeling, reporting, and smart features. The next 20 hours will be completely 17 to 20 hours will be on planning, and then the next 10 hours will be on predictive analytics, and the last 5 hours we focus on building an analytic applications and this Analytics Hub, digital boardroom, etc. We focus on the applications for the last 5 hours. So it's total 65-hour program. Okay, so we work 5 days a week from Tuesday to Thursday at 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. That's our time. Okay, 8:15 a.m. we start and we'll conclude by 9:15 a.m. every day from Tuesday to Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Monday and Friday being holidays. Saturday and Sunday will be quite extensive, guys. It's like something like 2 hours we work on Saturday and 2 hours we work on Sunday. So 4 hours we work during weekends and 3 hours we work during weekdays. Total 7 hours we work in a week with 5 days, with 5 working days. So on the day once you'll be given an access to the drive. Let me show you how your drive looks. Okay, so this is how you'll be given access to the drive, where you have your assignment, certification material, different folders, files, material, slides, and also you have recordings. So we'll keep on up. So every session, live session, will be recorded and uploaded on the same day, so which you can use it for your reference in your future reference. So this drive is like a permanent access. It will be working even after 5 to 10 years also. We're not going to so this is like a permanent access, and you can use this drive anytime for your future reference. Okay, it has all the folders, the certification, and the slides I used to teach you, so everything, your data files, your material, some material from SAP and some by me, and data files which we upload, and certification stuff, your certification dumps and everything. So this is how the training process go. We go in an organized way.
Satya,
Okay, just give me a minute. I'm about to complete, so I'm giving Q&A time. So that is how we progress. And we are planning to start a batch from Tuesday. It's coming Tuesday, 2nd February at 8:15. So if anyone interested, you can let me know. Okay. So this is my part. I stop here.